looks like a racetrack. Well, we overslept, so now we're going to drive our first part in a storm, nice good rainstorm. Yeah, hopefully we can get out of this, get some nice clear skies, and let her eat. We got about 520 miles to go to make it to the Corvette Museum. We're trying to get in front of the storm. We're about a mile behind it. This is not the fun trip that I planned. The storm is not ideal, but we're about 20 miles into the trip. Temperature's good, oil pressure's good. Everything seems to be doing all right, so we're just gonna keep on trucking. Dude, I don't know if the camera can pick this up, but I see the end of the rain cloud. I think we might get in front of it. I'm running this old girl a little harder than I want to be, but I guess if she survives this, she'll survive cruising easy the rest of the trip. So if we're gonna break it, let's break it early on. Come on, girl. You got this.
Oh yeah, she's going down.
Good oil pressure, temperature. Literally like 30 minutes before we left, we put a brand new thermostat in it because we realized the thermostat was sticky. We put it in a pot of boiling water and it never opened up. I put a 160 degree thermostat. We're running a little cooler than I'd like it to be. I think after this trip I'm gonna put 180 back in it, but brother, we're almost there. She's lighting up. Woo-hoo.
The rain slowed down on us too.
It has. I'm loving it.
It's not too bad. Hell, we time traveled this day.
We got ourselves a convoy. That's pretty sweet. It's not a big accomplishment, but we're faster than an old Hummer. You can get one of these guys along. Woo! That guy's like, why is that clapped out 70s Chevy on this interstate? Get some windshield wipers. We're going to check the hubs, check the oil. Check this hub. Oh yeah, she's not good. We're burning a little oil. That's why we're going to check it. Yeah.
Oh, O'Reilly's.
Go turn fuel into noise. Ready? Here they go. They still squeak, but they're
yeah, they're much better function.
Just as annoying. All right, we got like 10 miles of Springfield. I know my truck.
What do you think she'll eat? $50?
Probably.
Dude, your hubs are not getting any heat at all. I don't know if it's just pull out or what. Really. It's like when you that first kiss in the morning. That's
beautiful.
titties.
We've went 143 miles and we put in 17.4 gallons of fuel. I'm calculating that's about 8.21 miles to the gallon. I was hoping we could do a little bit better than that.
You did idle quite a bit yesterday.
Oh, I
rev
did.
her up.
I did run it for a little bit yesterday, so we'll calculate it at our next stop and see if she does a little better. In 143 miles, we went through a quart of oil.
Only 6 hours and 7 minutes left. 375.
This looks like a racetrack. Chevy, he's like, oh fuck that!
They had to.
No trucks. Look at that.
People from California is gonna wonder where the hell we're getting gas at 291. Hey, what the hell do I pull to pop this hood?
Alright, we just stopped here in a town called Dexter. We made it 145 miles. We put in 12.7 gallons of fuel. We're getting 11.4 miles to the gallon, so we're doing a little bit better. We put in 1.5 quarts of oil instead of a quart like last time, but we raced a Mustang, so that might help burn a little more oil. So we're going to try to keep it about 120 to 140 miles between stops, that way we don't run this thing out of oil. 11.4 miles a gallon, I'm content with that.
Yeah, that's not bad.
I didn't realize we stretched it as far this time as we did last time. I thought this was a shorter trip.
Got the old Corvette out.
Hey, we got a Corvette too.
Mississippi River is running dry. I wonder what they're growing down there. All I'm used to seeing is beans and corn and wheat. Bang 'em. Oh, welcome to Kentucky again. Yep, got to.
That sucks. Slide off the road like an idiot. Good ass tomato, dude. Definitely worth the stop. Yeah. Well, this rollback's been following us for about 30 miles. I think he might have thought he had an easy customer, but Old Blue's treating us well. Sorry, bud. You'll have to find somebody else. This is our last stop before the hotel. The hotel is not very far from the Corvette Museum. We're going to shut down there tonight, go to the museum in the morning. Alright, so we've been 155 miles. 155 miles. and we put in 15.8, so that's 9.8 miles a gallon, but we were running 70, 75 on the interstate for a while. So I'd say the high speeds, high RPMs are killing our fuel mileage. So sweet, we got 70 miles to our hotel, so we're gonna get there and get shut down for the night. Oh man, like a Cadillac.
Smooth.
I mean, you think I got an old ride? You think this thing's dated? Look at these people's wheels.
How many horsepower you got?
I got about $150. Yeah, got me in the nice neighborhood. Thank you.
In a quarter mile, at the traffic circle, take the third exit onto Point Court.
So we made it to our hotel. The Corvette Museum's closed. We're gonna check it out in the morning. Until then, I'm Dakota. This is my brother Jacob. This here truck's old blue. Thanks for watching.